Hey, I'm Kristen Dovniak. I'm a holistic health coach, trained chef, and mama of two. And the video you are about to watch is a sneak preview of my best-selling Healthy Mama Meal Prep course, where I teach you my signature 3-style meal prep method to help you learn to meal plan and meal prep without the stress. Enjoy! We already talked about 2 of my best tips for meal prep efficiency: planning your prep and mise en place. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 more hacks that are going to change your meal prep and make it more efficient. Number 1 seems obvious, but there are so many mamas I work with where this isn't the case. First of all, I want you to start with a clean kitchen. Clear everything off of your counter wherever you're going to work. A clean workspace is key to having a clear mind and having the space you need to actually do your prep, to actually do your mise en place. And the second part of this is to clean as you go. This doesn't mean you need to do the dishes 3 times in the middle of your meal prep, unless of course you need a dish, but it does mean to keep your cutting board clean. It's safer and it's more efficient, and just to make sure that you're moving things away from your cooking space as you're cooking so you have the room to move around with ease. This is going to make such a big difference when you meal prep. Hack number 2 is to set timers. If you need to buy an extra kitchen timer or 2 to make sure that you are actually keeping track of what you're cooking, then do it. They're about $5 on Amazon, no big deal, and they make a world of difference. Typically, I'll use my phone and either the oven or the microwave timer just to make sure that I am keeping track. And I make a note of how long each one of the items takes on my meal prep list, so I know how long things take and what goes in first, what goes in after. It doesn't have to be complicated. You just want to make sure you're keeping track of things so you don't accidentally leave something in the oven or overcook something as you're focusing on something else. Hack number 3 is to use all available cooking surfaces. That means if you have 4 burners and you have 2 shelves in the oven, use them. You can steam one thing while you roast another thing. Keeping those timers means that you can still be efficient and pay attention to what you're doing without overwhelming yourself. I would start with using a couple services just in the beginning, and then you can expand to using more. You don't want to overwhelm yourself so you're not actually sure what you're cooking when, but utilizing those timers, and as you get more efficient, it's going to be a lot easier to multitask and do more than one thing at once. The biggest tips from most chefs that are working in big kitchens is number 1, they mise en place. They get everything ready before they actually start cooking. Number 2, they always make sure that their surface is clean before they start, and they clean as they go, and they multitask. So I hope that you found these helpful hacks for your home kitchen as you're learning how to meal prep. Go ahead and utilize them this week. I hope you enjoyed that free preview of Healthy Mama Meal Prep. To learn more about how you can learn how to meal plan and prep in a way that works for your unique family without the stress, head to healthymamakriz.com/meal prep.